The second person eliminated was Mother Nature. Now we continue with our unmasking from last night. Have you figured out who it is yet? We find out in 3, 2, 1.
Who is it?
Help her, Men in Black. Take it off.
Oh my gosh. Who can this be?
Superstar actress, producer, and director, Vivica A. Fox!
Oh my god, I had it written down in my sheet.
Hey, darling!
Yep, I knew I had.
How did you know?
I just know you. So how much fun did you have as Mother Nature?
Oh my gosh, this has been exhilarating. I challenged myself. You know, I've done so many things in my career, and I've never done anything like this before. I
And
mean,
you had fun.
decorate- And I had fun.
You was
I had
bobbing
fun.
people, whack-a-mole.
Yeah. I want to say to the panel, like I said, you guys are all amazing. Keep making dreams come true and having a great time doing it, okay?
You're
I love you all.
awesome.
I